Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Crazicons. Today I am going to show you how to make acrylic paint and a paper leaf for decoration. These are the required things for making them. Now we are showing how to make a green color acrylic paint for leaf. Take a bowl and add some water. Then add green color to it. Here I am using green food color. Mix it gently. Now add a bit of cornflour to it. Mix all of them. Then our paint color is ready. Actually we can use green colored chart, but by using the paint the leaf will be more realistic. Now take an A4 sheet and fold it horizontally to equal halves. Draw a leaf shape with pencil from open side of sheet. Now cut the shape of leaf using scissors as shown here. Then fold the leaf upside down as shown here. Now take a cup of water and acrylic paint prepared earlier. Paint the leaf as shown here. Dip the brush into water to paint as it gives different shades to the leaf. Dry the leaf by keeping it aside for 5 minutes. Then fold the leaf in the same way as we did earlier so that it gives a blossom look. Finally, our leaf is ready. These are the different types of decorations using flowers. For flower making ideas, I have made a video on making paper flowers. You can check the link in description box. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Crazicons.